So now if you're asked to graph an equation in the y equals mx plus b form, just given the equation and using slope and y-intercept, the first thing you have to do is when you're given the equation, identify the slope, which is, remember, your m, and your y-intercept, which is the b. So here, the y-intercept is 1, and so you put a point at 1 on the y-axis. And after that, what you have to do is identify the slope. The slope here is 2. So what you're going to do is through your y-intercept, you're going to draw a line that has slope 2, which is 2 over 1. So you draw a line with rise of 2 and a run of 1, and then you put a point at where the rise and the run end up, and then you're going to draw a line through your intercept and that point. And so there is your line, y equals 2x plus 1. So try another example here. If you're given the equation y equals negative x plus 6, then the y-intercept is 6, and so you put a point at 6 on the y-axis. And then you got to identify the slope, and negative x means that the slope, this is negative 1x, so the slope is negative 1. So the line is going to go down to the right, and so you go over 1 and down 1, because this is a rise of negative 1 over 1, which is negative 1. And you draw a line through these points, and there's your line for y equals negative x plus 6. Next question, you're given y equals 2 over 5x minus 4, and here the y-intercept is negative 4, and so you put a point at negative 4 on the y-axis, and then you're going to draw a line. The slope is 2 over 5, so that means the rise is 2 and the run is 5. So we go from this point up 2 and over 5 and put a point there and draw a line through those 2 points, and there's your line for y equals 2x minus 4. Next question, given y equals negative 1 over 2x minus 1, so you're going to put a point at the y-intercept, negative 1, and you're given that the slope is negative 1/2. So you're going to go from this point, rise of negative 1 and a run of 2. So there's your run of 2 and your rise of negative 1, and then you draw a line through those points.